In this video I'm going to show you how you can build a simple automation with make.com which watches a subreddit for mention of a keyword or your brand and then adds this information to Google Sheets. To start with, I'm just going to run this automation once. So you can see at the moment this Google Sheets is empty, and if I now click on run once, some things are happening here, and if we now go back here, voila, we can see we get a post from the subreddit Integromat. So this is the subreddit. So how does it work? It's quite a simple one. So it's made of two modules. The first one is list comments in a subreddit. You can either build this one with me here. Right now you just download the blueprint I put down below. And if you click on list comments in a subreddit, the first thing you need to do is you need to connect your Reddit account. If it's the first time using Reddit and make.com, then you need to define the subreddit you want to search within. So in our case, it's the Integromat one. And also what kind of sorting do we prefer. So in our case, we're using the new, so we're looking for the newest post, but you also could choose one of the others. And then the limit. The limit is quite important because the limit tells make for how many comments or posts it should search this subreddit for. So in our case, it will only check out the 5 newest posts, but you also can put here any number towards below 500. The second step, which is a quite important one, is to add a filter, because as we are standing right now, there's no filter. So in the end, you will just get the 5 newest posts within the subreddit, which is nice. But we're looking for a term, we're looking for our brand. We're only interested in those which are mentioning this term. And so the condition here is when we set up the filter that the body. So you also could use the title. But in this case, we're using the body, contains, so it's a text operator, make. So if the word make is part of the body, this post, this comment, will be transferred to our Google Sheets. What we can see with the example I ran in the beginning, that 4 of the 5 first comments, the newest comments, did not pass the filter because they did not include the word make, just one. And this is why we got 1 row, because only one matched this filter. This is quite important because, you could also just get all of the newest comments from a subreddit, but it costs you a lot of operations, because for each row which is added to this Google Sheet, it costs you 1 operation. In our example, we just got 1 row because only 1 row matched the filter, so it costs us only 1 operation. Now the second part is we want to add a row to Google Sheets which contains the data which passed the filter. And again, you just add the name of your spreadsheet, then the sheet name, then in our case, the table contains headers, and then we just matching the information. So subreddit is subreddit, user is the author, date is the created, and post is the body. And then in the end, we get this very nice row which contains all of those information. I hope this video helped you to give you an idea how you can build like a simple module which watches Reddit for you. You can just run it once. For example, just click it once a day to get the 100 newest and check them if it mentioned your brand name or whatever terms you're interested in. Or you also can schedule it, so it would run, for example, every morning at 7 a.m. and also in the evening at 7 p.m. I hope this video helped you. Thank you so much. Bye.